दुखराई जब से सांस समन आई ना को ऐरी नहीं बिगड़ना सहस्र हमको न्याय जो प्रज्ञा सोपन मान्य एक काल दे पाई समय प्रत्येक नानक विकसल वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।
What is this? Yes, this is equator and it is also known as parallel line. The line that comes between east to west is known as latitude. There are two types of line, longitude and latitude. Okay, some students are confused. This is the north side, all are no, and this is south, all are no. But confused, what is this? This is the west or this is the east? Yes, no, always. So we have a formula. This B for west and E for east. So these lines comes from west to east. This is also known as horizontal line.
Blood travels about 19,000 kilometers every day inside your body. The skin is the largest organ of your body. And do you know how many different smells your nose can remember? Anybody knows? Okay, 50,000 different smells our nose can remember. Thank you.
Today I want to share my views about the impact of small acts of kindness. Kindness means to be good for someone around us. It is also about sharing, helping, and quality to be plowed for everyone. The kind act of is truly magical. When we are kind for someone, then they forget all about their problems, and even a bad day become a good day. Thank you. Have a nice day.